Hello everyone, welcome to Sugar Math, where we bring you the latest update and insight into the world of education. In the previous video, we talked about the new education policy of 2024, where the government is including structural overhaul, increased emphasis on early child education, encourages critical thinking, and many more. Let us go back in time for a minute and understand the history of the 10 plus 2 school education system in India. For decades, the 10 plus 2 system has been the foundation of school education in India, introduced in the 1960s and formalized in 1986 National Education Policy. This system divides education into two main phases. Phase 1 includes 10 years of regular school covering primary, upper primary or middle education and secondary education, and 2 years of higher secondary where kids choose between science, commerce or arts. It worked for a while, but there were problems. The 10 plus 2 education system didn't focus on younger kids' development, and the pressure of rote learning made things tough for both parents and students. Honestly, we all see how our kids struggle with just memorizing stuff for exams. That's why the government decided it's time for a big change. Enter the 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 model. Alright, so here's how the new education system of 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 works. A new system that matches the stages of child development, divided into 4 stages for better learning outcomes. First stage is the foundation stage. It is for 5 years. This stage includes 3 years of preschool or Anganwadi, followed by classes 1 and 2. It focuses on learning through play and activities, think storytelling, games, and a lot of hands-on fun to build strong basics in reading, writing, and numbers. Stage is the preparatory stage, which is for 3 years. This is for classes 3 to 5. Kids will now learn through interactive and activity-based learning methods, introducing them to subjects like maths, science, and languages in a simple but engaging way. Stage 3 is the middle stage, again for 3 years. For classes 6 to 8, things get a bit more serious, but still fun. Students will explore new subjects and start learning practical skills like coding or crafts. It's all about understanding concepts through projects and real world applications. Finally, the last stage is the secondary stage for 4 years. We have classes 9 to 12 in it. Here's where kids get to choose subjects they love, mixing science, arts, or commerce. This stage is designed to help them think critically and prepare for college or careers. Understand why was this change needed? Why did they change the system? First, it includes preschool education, which is super important for brain development. Secondly, it moves away from rote learning and makes education more practical and fun. Third, kids get to explore their talents early, whether it's art, maths, or coding. It's always about giving our kids the skill they need to succeed in the future. Now, let us talk about what this means for us as parents. Less stress, no more needless memorization, more holistic learning. Schools will focus on academics, creativity, and emotional well being. Career ready kids. By the time they finish school, they will have real world skills and confidence. Doesn't that sound like a step in the right direction? There you have it, the 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 education system in a nutshell. The new structure is all about making learning meaningful, flexible, and fun for our kids. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited with the new system? Let us know in the comments below. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with other parents. Thank you for watching and see you next time.